Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I had a special request from my friend Claudia to make a BTS keychain for her stepdaughter Lori. So I came up with some fun designs. I made a pendant and a keychain. And right up here behind me is a beautiful painting by Claudia that I picked up yesterday. She's doing some amazing art, and I'm going to link up her shop below. She is blind and she does beautiful braille art painting. So what you're going to need for this project are your tools. I'm using 20 gauge artistic wire for the pendant, 18 gauge for the keychain. You'll need a key ring. This is a split ring, and a variety of beads. So I tend to cut my wires a little too long. I cut about 1 foot of wire to be sure. And we're just going to start by forming the S at the bottom. So I'm going to bring this one around here. And it really depends how big you want the pendant to be. I'm going to try not to make it too big. I just made a tutorial on how to do all the letters of the alphabet, so you could reference that as well. So to do the S, I'm just going to finish it on one end, and I'm going to just put that wire down like that to make a bit of a loop, and then all you have to do with that end is just clip it right off so it's flush, and then you want to pinch it in with your flat pliers. We're going to get our round pliers again and do the top of the S. So we're just going to bring this one around here, and then just keep checking your shape to see if that's how you like it. So just bring it around here, and then from there we're just going to bring this in a little more, and then hold it with your round pliers and push this to the back. Okay, so that's at the back. Bring it up to the center of the S, and then this is going to go straight up like that to form the T. And then for the T, we're just going to take it about at the height you want of your T and bring it across, and then you want to form almost like an infinity sign. So that's a really nice symbol too. So we're going to take this and hold that in place and bring it up, and then we're going to hold that on the other side and bring it to the back again. So we're going to bring that one around here. Just keep forming it. Just keep bringing it in. And there you have what looks like a stylized T. And then this is going to go straight up like that. And then we want to form our B. So for the B, we want to check that it's the same height. You can measure them on your pliers if you want, or you can use a ruler. And then we're going to bend this one to the side, just like that, and then take this and bring that around to the front. Okay, around like that to the front. And then we're going to get our larger pliers and bring that one in here. And you can actually bring this one to the back. So we're going to bring this one into the back. Just bring it around here to do the top circle of the B, and then we're going to get our smaller pliers again and just give it a little bit of a jog to the front, and then bend that over, and then we're going to get our larger pliers and bring it around. Okay, we're going to bring it around here. You can make it a little larger if you want. You can adjust it, and there we have our B. So after that, you just want to finish the end. So get your pliers again, bring that one in here, and bring it around to the front. And then when you want to clip that here, my wire was way too long. You probably only need about 6 inches because I have all that left over. So now we're going to clip that down so it's flush. And there we have our beautiful BTS pendant. So for the key ring, I have about a 12-inch piece, 12 to 15-inch piece of wire. And we're just going to go to around the middle part and then just bend it in half like that and do a sharp bend on there and just push that in. And then we want to form the S. So we're just going to take the pliers, hold this together, bring it around here, and then around here. The keychain has to be more solid than the pendant because it might have more wear and tear. So we're just going to open that up a bit, bring that around, and then this line wants to go straight up. So we're going to take this and bend it straight up here, okay? And if you want to tighten up that angle, just use your flat pliers and tighten it up. And then we want to take this part and bend it to the back. So take the pliers and bend it to the back here, push it down, and then bring it around. And then what you want to do is you want to wrap this one around here, but hold it really solid so it doesn't get distorted, and bring that around to the back here. And then this one is going to go straight up. So just take that with your nail, or with your pliers if you have to, and then just push it straight up at the back there. Okay, and you can pinch it in a little bit if you need to. And then from here, we want to bend that wire to the left, but let's just make sure this is like hidden. You really want to hide it behind that wire. So we're going to go just make sure they're bent up straight. Okay, and then decide on your height. Say we're going to decide on the height, and then bend this one to the left here, and then you want to bend it over to the front. So we're going to take this, bend this over to the front, okay, there, and then we want to bend it behind. So we're going to hold this and bend it to the back. Okay, so it's at the back there, and then same thing, we could wind it around again. So hold this in place, hold that around here, and then make sure you hold it so it doesn't get like distorted there, and you can bring it, you can even do 2 turns around. So we're going to bring it here. If it gets a little distorted, just back it up and just give it a help with your round pliers. It's going to help keep it in place, and then push that in place there, and then just pinch it so it stays centered. So we're just going to want to keep it centered in there, bring it around like that, and then bring that one to the front. Okay, so we've got it like that. If you have to just push it down a little bit, that's fine. And then we're going to do the B. So we're going to take this one and bring it to the front. Decide how big you need it to be. And then we're going to bring this one to the back. Okay, bring it to the back and to there. And then we want to bring this one around to the top, and you can bring it around to the front this time. Okay, like that. So there we have our BTS here. And then we want to end this one. Hold this with your round pliers, bring it around, and you can just clip that there. So we're going to take that, clip it, and then just push it in place. So there we have our basic BTS. And then if you want to, you can even adjust it a little bit if you have to. You can adjust it, make it a little bit longer if you want. And then if you like, you can add a bead on there. And then we're going to put it directly on our key ring. So bend that back and bend this one around. Put it on the key ring and just continue the circle there. Want to have it quite big so it can move around. Hold that there, wind it around, and then you can clip it. And then we can make a little note to hang on. So we're just going to take the purple wire, 18 gauge, just make a little loop at the top here. And then you can get your flat pliers and just bend that one down, straight down, and then one on this side, straight down. And then in the same position on both sides, just do a bend. And this one too, just do a bend there. And then what you want to do is put a 6mm bead. So we're going to put that one on there. And we're going to bring this to the front, around the front, around the front, and then flip it and put it to the back. Around the back. Here, just clip it flush. And then that just sticks in there so it doesn't rub. And this side, we'll put another one, and we're going to bring this to the front, around the front there, and flip it and bring it to the back. So round to the back. And then same thing, we're going to clip it flush right in there, push it in with your fingernail, and there you have your note. To attach it, you can either use a jump ring or another piece of wire. I'll just use the 20 gauge wire, and what we'll do is just bend that here, do a little circle around here, and then put it on there, and take your flat pliers, hold it, bring that one around, clip it. You can put other beads on there. I like these hematite beads. We're going to put a hematite bead on there and then stick that one on and put another hematite bead, and that makes it look really funky. And then we're just going to bend this, like if it hangs that way, bend this perpendicular, take this, make your nice big circle, stick it on so it's facing the right way, and then just close this one up and hold that and bring it around, and it is done. And we have this really cute keychain with the BTS and the note. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And we'll see you the next time.